Hey guys, I am so excited about today's video because it's a great and huge amount of airdrops given by the Bitget airdrops. Yes, you can just follow a simple step or you have to trade on this trading platform to get that price pool of the airdrop. There is a multiple 2.6 million USDT for the airdrops winners, and there is a huge amount of BGB token also for the winners. So how can you participate in the airdrops? Let's talk about Bitget. What is a Bitget? Bitget is a global cryptocurrency exchange chosen by the 2 million users approximate 50 countries. That's offer a fast and user-friendly trading experience with secure technology and zero trading fee from the spot trading. The platform one-click copy trading and also allow the followers to view trader their data, and they are following traders also. So let's talk about how can we join the Bitget airdrops. So Bitget airdrops is up to 2 million USDT price and the 0.3 millions BGB token price pool. So this is a 23, and the last date of the airdrop is not given by the organization, but it should be at October 2023. So step by step I will guide you how can you get the Bitget KCGI 2023 competition tokens. So first of all, we have to remember that cryptocurrency trading involves risk due to market volatility. So trade at your own advices and stay informed and trade wisely. And crypto trading experience of KGCI 2023. Head to the KGCI page to register. Here's the link. I will also give the link on the video description, so check it out. And then step 2, you have to individual different pages, each specific registration and completion period. Price pool is divided among spot trading, future trading, and future copy trading, and future trading segmenters. User can join the time limit offer and earn a share of 0.2.5 billion PGB token by making their deposits or making their trades possible. Bitget is also gifting the new registration with free BGB tokens and complete tasks to earn reward up to $4,163. So be sure to explore details about the what's the KBG official page. So spot trading competition is 50,000 USDT price pool, and the future demo trading competition is 20,000 USDT price pool. Future trading competition up to 80,000 USDT, and the future trading competition is 2 million USDT. That's a huge amount. 2 million, it's a big amount, and they're distributed even the participants of the airdrops and the winners of the airdrops. So this is the airdrop for the Bitget, and this video is not for financial advice. Take it as a informational video, and if you want to participate in the Bitget airdrop, you may check out the link on the description, and don't forget to hit the subscribe button so you can get the latest update about the crypto industry every day, every second. Have a good day. Bye bye.